School 24 Surakarta.
Today, we will talk about something fun, creative, and challenging.
It's called Rembuling, a live communication project designed for the moon.
But more than that, this project is a great example of how we learn using of STEM approach.
Rembuling teaches us about the science of light. How can light be reflected using mirrors? How does it travel in a vacuum like on the moon? We learn the law of reflection.
Angle of incidence equivalent to angle of reflection. Let's go!
Communication is key in lunar exploration missions. However, on the moon's surface, radio signals often get blocked by uneven terrain like craters and mountains. Because the moon has a very thin atmosphere, light can travel without much scattering. This opens the door to light-based communication such as lasers. Rembuling is an educational simulation of this future technology. Rembuling is built using a 4D frame kit, small flat mirrors, and a laser pointer. Students design communication towers and arrange reflected light paths from point A to the receiver. A signal is considered received if the light successfully travels the designed route. Now, it's time for students to work together in small groups. Each group receives a kit that includes 40 frame sticks and connectors, small mirrors, and a laser pointer. Their task is to build a communication towers and design a path for the laser light. Using mirrors, they must reflect the light from the source to the target screen. This activity requires teamwork, creativity, and precision. Students need to think carefully about angles. They adjust mirror positions, test multiple directions, and observe the results. When the laser hits the target screen, the mission is successful. During this process, students are not just building structures, they are learning how to solve problems, communicate ideas, and test real world solutions. This hands on experience helps them understand how engineers and scientists work in space technology. Let's take a look at how the students are doing in their groups. The laser is directed at the first mirror, then reflected to the second, and so on until it hits the receiver screen. Students must carefully adjust mirror angles based on the law of reflection. Angle of incidence equals angle of reflection. After completing the experiment, each group takes turns presenting their work. They explain the design of their communication system, how they align the mirrors, and the challenges they face. Students use simple language to share what they learned. They describe how they made the laser beam travel from tower to tower and finally reach the target. This activity helps students build not only knowledge but also communication skills, public speaking, and scientific thinking. This product fits perfectly into STEM learning: science, light reflection concepts; technology, optical communication principles; engineering, tower structure design; art, aesthetic arrangement of mirrors and towers; and mathematics, calculating angles and distances. Rembuling is not just a simulation, but also a learning tool that is affordable and easy to make, interactive and fun, encourages active student participation, and inspires exploration of future ideas and technologies. Rembuling is not just theory. Through real experiments, we learn more deeply. This is the power of STEM. You're not just learning science or math, but also thinking creatively, working together, and becoming inventors. In the future, skills like these are needed, especially if you dream of working in space, tech, or engineering.
So let's keep learning with passion. Don't have to try and don't be afraid to fail. Because maybe one of you will build a real laser communication system on the moon. Thank you for watching.
Wani Sinau.